Hi there, what a beautiful week, guys. Today we are going to analyze Euro USD. Please, guys, pay attention on it so as we can understand the direction on it. After watching this video, you'll be able to understand the daily trend of Euro USD this week. So stick with me from this start to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Once again, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want me to analyze a certain pair that you want, please drop your comment there. I will check it and I will analyze for you. Thanks, guys. Enjoy. Last time we analyzed together here gold, right? So this was the analysis that we did for gold, and look the market, how the market played out, guys. Yeah, we expect the market to drop, so I think this is a dropping, though. Yeah, the good perfect enter over here, guys. And I don't know, it was at night when the market touched this or retested below this trend line, this counter trend line. Yeah, I think that could be a very perfect entry, guys. But no problem. If guys you are in gold, please keep on holding it, because yeah, this is a bearish trend and we are expecting the market to drop further. So this was our analysis, and if you didn't take a look on it, please go and check the top down analysis of gold before we proceed with Euro USD. So yeah, perfect. Okay, let us proceed. This is Euro USD on monthly time frame. Let us, guys, do analysis on it. So before we proceed, as usual, let us make our analysis simple by determining the daily trend of this market from the monthly time frame view up to that smallest time frame that I use for entry, that is 4 hour. Now, by starting, let us look on the market structure. Let us look on the market structure. Let me use this tool to demonstrate or to show how the market moved by marking these lower lows and lower highs. Yeah. So this, guys, is how the market moved, and it shows like a little bearish market from this monthly time frame. So a bearish market because it breaks the lower lows and respects these lower highs. So obvious, this is a bearish trend. So let me take this off before we proceed. So or another way we can say, like, as the market moves, it breaks this market structure. Yeah, market structure. Let me label this. Yeah. So as you can see, yeah, this is break of structure. So the market keeps on breaking this market structure as it moves downward. Yeah, the same apply here. We are expecting for this market to break, though we are not sure because the market is far away from this point. But yeah, the way it moves, that's how we can see in our perspectives, guys. So let us use other tools, guys, so as we can determine a little trend of this Euro USD from this monthly time frame. Let us come to this most recent part of the chart. As you can see here, guys, there was like a resistance here, guys, that made this market to bounce several times here. As you can see from here, this time, it is like 5 times the market tried to bounce on this zone. It is imaginary zone because you can't see it, but it seems like there is a booster here. I can say there is something that is avoiding the market to penetrate downward. Since it started here, up to this point, it managed to break this point. So here it looks like there was a very big zone like this guy. Okay, so this is like our support. So it supported several times the market to bounce on it before it managed to break this zone. Though we can't label the biggest support like this because it is an unusual way of trading. It was just like showing you guys like how the market struggled many times to penetrate here. So let me take this out. Okay, so that is just like roughly overview on how the market played. So when we consider some few details, let us take a look on this most recent this previous lower low. I mean the market started here guys to bounce. So this was the first bounce from this lower low. So the market bounced here, then it gone up and then came back, got to some rejection several times, like 4 times. Then the market moved up. So we consider this at the point where we can draw our support that will be turned into resistance, because this was the first bounce that the market experienced before other rejections, as you can see there. So this guy, so this was the what? This was our support. The market bounced here and tried to penetrate it, but it afraid it ended up by leaving these wicks, and it didn't manage to break, and it goes below this this small support. But after the market made several moves, then it managed to break by this big bearish candle. Yeah, this was a big move. So it needed a strong candle or strong push like this to break this resistance. I mean this support. Then it came to be resistance, guys. So to break any strong support or resistance, the market should apply a very big strong candlestick or very big push like this. That's how we say this was a very strong, so it can't be broken by a single weak candle, guys. So as you can proceed, let us see here, guys, what we have. So let us see on the other time frame, guys, how the market display it is view. So let us go on weekly time frame. Let us see what we have on weekly time frame, guys. So this is on weekly time frame, guys. As you can see, the market made some this is like a very big I can say this was the this one, consolidation, a big consolidation, guys. As you can see, the market moved in sideways for a very long time from this point to this point, because it seems like it's a consolidation because it is in a big time frame. Weekly time frame is a big time frame, but when you go down to small time frame, this is not a consolidation. It is just some moves. So but here we see a very big consolidation. So this acts like the reaction beneath this resistance. So it means when you go to higher time frame like monthly, these are just like rejections, being rejected on this resistance. So the market got rejected several times. So let me take this. Let me take rid of this rectangle. So now we should apply some other tools then, so as we can understand also how we consider. So from monthly time frame, we have seen like this is a bearish market. So let us see on this weekly time frame. In order to understand here, guys, let me use this tool to show you guys the view of market structure and how the market structure played out. Yeah. Yeah. So as you can see here, guys, the market managed to break this. What they call this last lower high. This lower high, no, high low. Yeah. This last high low, because of the market was in uptrend before changing to to downtrend. So it's broken this structure. So this means this is a shift of the market trend. The market is now taking bearish, or taking downtrend here. So as you can see there, so this was the high, then high low, then high, then the market all of a sudden it came and it broken this last high low, high low, then making the market to shift its trend from the uptrend to downtrend. So I think that's enough information. Let me take this out. And as you can see, as the market proceeds, so we expect from this point, after the market broken this market structure, so we are expecting it to move downward and to break even this one, because and to break this one, guys. This is our expectation, because it managed to break here, so we expect it to break here, because the market has shifted its trend to downtrend. So if we use a roughly, we label it roughly, we can say like this. So this is the move we are expecting. So these channels, or these moves that the market is moving up and down, this is just a element that it forms a single impact that will move downward. So there are some retracement in the impact inside a single impact. Yeah, I don't know if you understand that, but I mean, like, retracement and impacts may use to form a single retracement or a single impact. So there are retracement and impact within a single impact. So because this is our down move, so it's made up with a lot of ups and downs, and making a single move downward. So these will confuse you, but the indication that this will go down in the break of this structure. After the market managed to break this, then we are expecting a downfall of this market. So the market will drop. Let me take this out. So this is all about in weekly time frame. Yeah, on weekly time frame. I don't know if I have to add the other informations, but I think these were the very crucial and the very important information to have. Then, without wasting any time, let us drop to the daily time frame. Yeah. Now this is our daily time frame, guys. Also in the daily time frame, guys, you can see the market is still display the bearish trend, or the downward trend. So let me label this again. Yeah. As you can see, guys, so this shows a clean downtrend, so we're expecting the market to drop. The same time we're expecting monthly and weekly time frame, so still we're having a single trend that is downtrend. So let me take this out. Okay, so most of the time I used to say, guys, the more you are dropping, or the more you are taking your analysis from higher time frame to lowest time frame, always pay your much attention on the lessened information, or on the lessened part of the chart, which on your chart here will be here. So this is our point where the market is near to the active point, so we are paying too much attention here than the prior informations here. So I will zoom out, I will zoom this part so as I can analyze it. So we have obtained a lot of information far away from this point, so we are now considering this point to provide us further information for more confidence research. So let me use trend line here. Take my trend line here and press it here. As you can see here, guys, I pressed my trend line, the first point with this and the second point with this. When you are looking for a good trend line, always spot 2 points. Your trend line should connect to 2 points, or other ways more than 2 points, but not less than 2 points. So always press your trend line in such a way it can connect 2 points or more. So as you can see here, guys, the market connected this trend line connected 2 points, and the market managed to break it, came to retest here in one time frame, and then in daily time frame, and then the market dropped. Though it was hard to catch this move using this trend line, but all out, guys, still we are going to use other information, other tools with other any other time frame. That will be 4 hour time frame, for where we look for swing trades, swing entries, etc. So this was like a movement. So what I will consider here, I consider this as a channel. So that proves like the market is still going down. I don't know how you call this structure. People got a lot of names with these charts patterns, so I don't know what you call this, but let me proceed with the most useful information, guys. So here we go, guys. This is our 4 hour time frame. In the 4 hour time frame, guys, as you can see, this was the major trend line, but although when you come to inner trend line or minor trend line, you can draw your minor trend line connecting 2 points inside this channel, that is this point and this point. So if you connect them, you get a structure like this. So this is the first point and this is the second point. This way of doing trend line is considering several aspects. All these types of drawing like these diagonal trend line, I have explained them well in my course. If you want to take my course, guys, you just contact me in my Telegram channel, WhatsApp, or even you can DM me Instagram. I will provide you my course with full details, so as you can understand why I use this diagonal trend line and why I draw like this. But here, as you can see, I have pressed this trend line and it connected 2 points inside this inside this channel. So our entry here was here. So if we were looking for the entry, so this were the sniper entry that we could get, or we could take. Like, let me use this. Yeah, so as a swing trader, maximum low, stop loss should be 60 pips, especially on these forex pairs or forex currency. Though my take profit should be here. Yeah. So this was the perfect point where we can take our entry. We could take our entry, though the market has moved too far. But if you are in this trade, you are holding Euro USD, I can say just hold it until it reaches down below this point. So just keep on holding it, and making your break even maybe, or you can put your stop loss in profit. Yeah, but the reality of this chart was like getting the perfect entry like this. But I think I think it will be helpful to all people who have already took this trade, or they are in Euro USD on selling trade. So you should keep on holding it until it pass this point, or you can just place your take profit here. Yeah, but yeah, other ways this analysis. Otherwise, this analysis won't be helpful, but it helps to all people who already took this trade and they are holding the trade. So let me take this. Okay, guys. So I have explained some tips and some hints that will help you next time to do your analysis on your own. So consider those hints and keep on practicing until you can trade on your own, until you can make perfect entries with your own, on your own. So, and if you want to access my VIP channel, or you want to take my course, just contact me in my Telegram. The link is in the description there. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow me in other social medias like Instagram, and join my Telegram channel for more tips like this. Thanks, guys. Wish you a nice week. Hi there, what a beautiful week, guys. Today we are going to analyze USD. Please, guys, pay attention on it, so as we can understand the direction. After watching this video, you'll be able to understand the daily trend of Euro USD this week. So stick with me from this subscribers. Once again, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want me to analyze a certain pair that you want, please drop your comment there. I will check it and I will analyze for you. Thanks, guys. Enjoy. Last time we analyzed together here gold, right? So this would be analysis that we did for gold, and look the market, how the market played out, guys. Yeah, we expect the market to drop, so I think this is a dropping though. Yeah, the good affect into the here, and I don't know, it was at night when the market touched this, it tested below this trend line, this counter trend line. Yeah, I think that could be a very perfect integral, but no problem. If guys you are in gold, please keep on holding it, because yeah, this is a bearish trend, and we're expecting the market drop further. So this was our analysis, and if you didn't to take a look on it, please go and check Okay, let us proceed. This is USD on monthly time frame. Let us guys do analysis on it. So before we proceed as usual, let us make our analysis simple by determining the daily trend of this market from the monthly time frame view up to that smallest time frame that I use for entry, that is 4 hours. No, by starting, let us look on the market structure. Let us look on the market structure. Let me use this tool to demonstrate or to show how the market moved by marking these lows and low highs. Yeah. So this guys is how the market moved, and it shows like a little bearish market. From this monthly time frame, so a bearish market because it breaks the lower lows bearish trend. So let me take this for proceed. So another way you can see, like, as the market moves, it breaks these market structure. Yeah. Market structure. So as you can see, this is break of structure. So the market keeps on breaking this market structure as it moves down. The same apply here. We are expecting for this market to break. Though we are not sure because the market is far away from this point, but yeah, the rate moves, that's how we can see in your perspectives. So let us use other tools, guys, so as we can determine a little trend of this USD from this market graph. Let us come to this most recent part of the chart. As you can see here, guys, there was like resistance here that made it's like 5 times the market tried to bounce on this zone. It is imaginary zone because you can see it, but it seems like there is an booster here. I say there's something that is avoiding the market to penetrate downward. Since it started here up to this point, it managed to break this point. So here it looks like it was there was a very big zone like this. Okay, so this is like our support. So it supported so several times the market to bounce on it before it managed to break this zone. Though we can't label the biggest support like this because it is an unusual way of trading. It was just like showing you guys like how the market strongly versatile many times to penetrate here. So let me take this out. Okay, so that is just this just like roughly overview on how the market trade. So when you consider some few details, let us take a look on this most essential, this previous low. I mean the market is started here is to bounce. So this was the first bounce from this lower low. So the market bounced here, then gone up and then came back, got some rejections several times, like 4 times. Then the market moved up. So we consider this at the point where we can draw our support that will be turned into resistance, because this was the first bounce that the market experienced before other rejections, as you can see there. So this was the what? This was support at the market bounce here and traded, but the trade it ended up by leaving these weeks, and it didn't manage to break, and it was below this thing, this small support. But after the market made several moves, then it managed to break by this big candle, big bearish candle. Yeah, this was a big move. So it needed a strong candle or strong push like this to break this this support. Then it became to be, it came to be resistance, guys. So to break any strong support to resistance, the market should apply a very big strong candlestick or very big push like this. That's how we see this was a very strong, so it can't be broken by a single weak candle. So as you can proceed, let us see here, guys, what we have. So let us see on the other time frame, guys. How the market So let us go on weekly time frame. And let us see what we have on weekly time frame. So this is on weekly time frame. As you can see, the market made some this is like a very big I can say this was the consolidation, a big consolidation, guys. Since as you can see, the market moved in sideways for a very long time from this point to this point because it seems like it's a consolidation because it is in a big time frame. Weekly time frame is a big time frame. But when you go down to small time frame, this is not a constantly, consolidation. It is just some moves. So, but here we see a very big consolidation. So these act like the reaction beneath this resistance. So it means when you go to higher time frame like monthly, these are just like rejections. Being rejected on this one, this resistance, so the market rejected several times. So let me take this. Let me take this. Let down. So now we should have placed some other tools then, so we can understand how we consider. So for monthly time frame, we have seen like this is a bearish market. So let us see on this weekly time frame. In order to understand here, let me use this tool. To show you guys the view of market structure and how the market structure played out. Yeah. So as you can see here, guys, the market managed to break this last see lower high, this lower high low, high low, yeah, this last high low because of the market was in uptrend before changing to where I'm into downtrend. So it broken this structure, so this means this is a shift of the market trend. The market is now taking bearish taking downtrend, yeah. So as you can see there, so this was the high, then high low, then high, then the market all of a sudden it came and broken these last high low, high low, then making the market to shift its range from the uptrend to downtrend. So I think that's enough information. Let me take this out. can see as the market proceeds, so we expect from this point after the market broken this market structure, so we are expecting it to move downward and to break even this one, because yeah, and to break this one. This is our expectation, because this it managed to break here, so we expect it to break here, because the market has shifted this trend to downtrend. So if we use a roughly we label it roughly, we say like this. So this is more we expecting. So these, these channels or these moves that the market is moving up and down is just a element that forms a single impact that will move downward. So there are some retracement in the impact inside a single impact. I don't know if you understand that, but I mean like retracement and impulse may used to form a single retracement or a single impact. So there are retracement and this is our down move, so it's made up with a lot of up and downs, and making a single move downwards. So this will confuse you, but there is the indication that this will go down in the break of this structure. The market managed to break this, then we are expecting it downfall of this market. So the market will drop. Let me take this out. So this is all about in weekly time frame. Yeah. Weekly time frame. I don't know if I have tried the other formations, but I think these were the very usual and very important information to have. Then, without wasting any time, let us drop to the data form. Now this is our data from also in the data from guys, you can see the market is barely strained with the downward trend. So let me do this again. as you can see, so these shows a clean downtrend, so we expect the market to drop. At the same time, we expecting monthly and weekly time frame. So still we having a single trend that is downtrend. So let me take this out. Okay, so most of the time I used to say, guys, the more you are dropping hours, the more you are taking your analysis from higher time frame to lowest time frame. Always pay your much attention on the recent information, on the recent part of the chart, which on your chart here will be here. So this is the point where the market is near to the active point. So we are paying too much attention here than the prior informations here. So I will zoom on. I will zoom these parts so I can analyze it. So yes, we have obtained a lot of information far away from this point. So we are now considering this point to the information for the information for more confident, no, for more confidence. So let me use trend line here. Take my trend line here. And press it here. Yeah. As you can see here, guys, I pressed my trend line. The first point with this, and the second point with this. When you are looking for a good trend line, always spot 2 points. Your trend line should be connected to points. Otherwise, more than 2 points, but not less than 2 points. So always press your trend line in such a way such a way to connect 2 points or more. So as you can see here, guys, the market connected these this trend line connected 2 points, and the market managed to break it, came to test here. In one time from data from, and then the market dropped. Though it was hard to catch this move using this trend line, but all out, guys. Still we are going that will be for our time frame for where we look for swing trades, swing entries, etc. So this was like it. Movement. So what I will consider here, I consider this as a channel. So that proves like the market is still going down. I don't know how you call this structure, people got a lot of names with these charts, patterns, so I don't know what you call this, but let me proceed with the most useful information here. Yeah. Here we go, guys. This is our 4-hour time frame. In the 4-hour time frame, guys, as you can see, this was the major trend, but although when you come to inner trend or minor trend line. You can draw your minor trend line connecting 2 points inside this channel. That is this point and this point. So if you connect them, you get structure like this. This is the first point and this second point. This way of doing trend line is considering several aspects. Yeah. All these types of drawing like these diagonal trend line. I have explained them why in my course. If you want to take my course, guys, you just contact me in my Telegram channel, WhatsApp, or even you can DM me Instagram. I'll provide you my courses for details so as you can understand why I use this diagonal trend line and why I draw like this. But here, as you can see, I have pressed this sender and it connected 2 points inside this channel. So our entry here was here. So if we were looking for the entry, so this would be sniper entry that we take this. Yeah, so as the swing trader, maximum low, I mean suppose should be 60 pips, especially on these FOREX pairs of FOREX currency. Though my take profit should be here. Yeah. So these were the perfect point where we can take our entry. We could take our entry, though the market has moved too far. But if you are in this trade, you are holding USD, I can say just hold it until it reaches down below this point. So just keep on holding it and making your break even, maybe, or you can put your stop loss in profit. Yeah, but the reality of this chart will getting the perfect tint like this, but I think I think it will be helpful to all people who are already took this trade or they are in USD on selling trades, so you should keep on holding it until pass this point, or you can just press your take profit here. But otherwise, this analysis won't be helpful, but it helps to all people who already took this trade and they are holding the trade. Let me take this. Okay. So I have explained some tips and some hints that will help you next time to do your analysis on your own. So consider those hints and keep on practicing until you can trade on your own until you can make perfect entries with your own, on your own, man. So, and if you want to access my VIP channel, or you want to take my course, yes, contact me in my Telegram. The link is in the description there, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel.